Okay, so this is my issue. It is a Eachine X220 Wizard. It's got an F3, an SB Racing F3 flight controller. I've upgraded the ESCs, all four of them, to be able to support the latest JESC firmware. So I'll just connect, I'll just show you that. So it's running the latest JESC, all of them can support it fine. I've got bidirectional D-shot turned on in here. When I then come over to Betaflight and I set up D-shot, bidirectional D-shot, set my motor poles correctly. This is me trying to turn this down as low as possible to reduce my CPU load. I'll show you why I've been trying to do that, because if I go and I test my motors, you see how my flight controller data stutters? And my motors are like are stuttering. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. But they're not responding correctly to that meter. And then the same thing happens when I try and arm the quad and fly. I can hover just fine, but as soon as I try and punch the throttle, it death spins and falls out the sky. I don't seem to. I can't really understand why. I don't know if it's just that I'm trying to push my F3 flight controller too hard and it just can't do it. But I have, I have flashed it with this 4.1.1 performance edition that's meant for F3 flight controllers, and it is, as far as I can tell, this SB Racing F3 FR Sky is for my my flight controller. So I assume if it's on here, it can work, but maybe that's the issue. Something that is notable is that the motor direction in in motor testing is different from when I arm the quad. So when I actually check my motor direction with motor testing, it's going the wrong way, but then if I arm it, it's going the correct way, and vice versa. If it's correct here, it's wrong when I arm it. So I don't know if that's got something to do with it. Any advice would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.